Right there is the remote, and in order to replace the battery for it, notice behind the remote there's actually a slider right here. All we have to do is just slide it towards the right side and then pull out the bottom key portion. Once this is taken out, now we will keep the button portion at the bottom, and using the same key portion we will place it in that position right there. While holding it like this, I'm going to tilt the key portion until the top cover is pulled out. There it is. We'll just do one more time. Just like that, this is taken out. Now we'll just pull out the top portion from here, and right there is our battery. Now to take out this battery, I'll be again using the key portion of the remote. We'll punch in the key portion in that corner right there and then pull out the battery. There it is. That is how the battery is taken out. Notice it is a CR2032 type battery. In my case, the battery is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new battery and you want to install it back, just make sure the plus sign right there, it actually stays at the top. We'll go ahead and punch in the battery inside the remote. Notice it has these two tabs coming out right here. We'll slide the battery in those two tabs first, just like this. Press and hold the battery just like that, and then push it downwards. There's the battery completely in. Now what we will do is we'll go ahead and punch in the top cover. While we punch in the top cover, just make sure the button portion at the bottom are looking good and not coming out. Seems all good. Now we'll go ahead and press down the top cover until we hear a clicking sound. One side is in. Now we'll press it down from the other side. There it is. Both sides are completely in. Now it's the time to slide in the key back where we took it out from. And with that, we are done with the replacement of battery for this remote. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.